What's up, real estate agents? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an ad from within Instagram itself. What's up, everybody? My name is Mike Sherrard. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. And if you're new, welcome. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you do get value from it, subscribe. Before we get into the tutorial, I want to mention that I do have a free masterclass for Instagram specifically for real estate agents. I'm going to link it in the description below and in the pinned comment. Make sure you go check it out. People are absolutely loving the content within there, and I know that you'll get some serious value from it. So go check it out after this video, and without further ado, let's go into the demonstration. All right, guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you step by step through the exact process that you can use in order to boost a listing from directly within Instagram and get more attention on it by creating a sponsored ad from directly within the app itself. So what we'll do is we'll use an example of one of my listings, and we'll show you exactly how to target it and how to get the ad rolling right away. So let's go ahead and start by opening up Instagram. And then what we'll do is we'll go over to my profile and find a listing that I would like to boost. So here's my profile, and we'll go down and we'll look at this listing right here. So a property that I just listed. You can see here there's a couple shots of the exterior, and then I have a separate video with details on the interior. But anyway, let's say we want to get this. Check out my new listing, my new $1 million listing in the beautiful Gulf and Lake community of Heritage Point. I've got some details on it here. So again, let's say I want to promote this and get it in front of a few thousand more people to show the sellers that we're actively working for them and to hopefully find an unrepresented buyer. We'll go ahead and click promote. And that opens you up to here. So select where to send people. You can either send people to your profile, which will, when they click on the ad, it will send them exactly to your profile. You can go to your website and you can edit this button, and you have these different options as well. So you can put your website in here and you can tap it and put wherever you want. And then you have the action button. So you have learn more, shop now, watch more, contact us, book now, or sign up. Now, typically what you're going to do, especially on the listing that I just showed you, is there's photos of the exterior, but maybe they also want to see photos of the interior. They want to see the square footage, number of bedrooms, all that good stuff. We'll go ahead and start with learn more, because that will prompt them to, again, learn more. So we'll go back here, and now we've chosen where to send people. So we're going to send them to our website in order to maybe capture their lead if you're using a third-party system for lead generation, or just get more attention on the listing itself. Now we'll come over here, and now you select your target audience. So Instagram targets people like your followers. That's if you leave it automatic. You don't want to do that. You want to come down to the bottom here and click create your own. Manually enter your targeting options. So let's just, you'll put the property address in here, so that when you're looking at your promotions, you can easily sort out which one is which. Now let's go to locations. So you can either go regional or local. So if we're going to use my city for an example, and we type in regional, we're going to look at Calgary as a whole. So there's 1.1 million people reached. That is just a general blanket of my city. There's no targeting, there's no specificity. It's just my city. And when we go over and click on local, you'll see exactly where that shows. So right now, you can either toggle on your current location, or you can put in an exact address. So you can actually put in an address of a property here, and it will take it directly to your address. So if we just go, we'll just choose this random address here. You can see here that it just moved to that address. And down here at the very bottom, you have a radius. So it starts at general 5-kilometer radius, but you can go and say you want to do 10 kilometers. Now it shows you the area it's going to cover. And at the top, the people reach increases or decreases as well. If we go back down to maybe 5, it goes to 100,000. In here, you can also put in zip codes. But let's just say we want to use this and we want to use a 12-kilometer radius around this listing right here. We'll go ahead and click done. Interests, you can go ahead and put things like, realtor.com. So that would be people who have been searching on realtor.com, which can be advantageous because it shows that they're looking for properties. Or you can just leave this blank. But again, interest is going to niche down your people. So if we click realtor.com, you see it goes too specific. It went from, 230,000 down to 1,000, and it's actually too specific. So what you might want to do in this case is leave that out. So now you have age and gender. Now, typically, the property that I showed you is a $1.1 million listing. Typically, people buying in that range are going to be about maybe 30 years old. And since it's a 2-story property, they're likely not going to be elderly because of the amount of stairs. So let's cap it at 60. And then you want to make sure that you leave both male and female on. Okay, so now your audience is created, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go to the next step. Budget and duration. So right here, the standard, it just pops up, is $5 a day for 6 days. But let's say you want to, push it for the first 4 days. It's a new listing. It's a hot listing. You want to get some now attention on it. Maybe what we'll do is we'll boost this up to $10 a day, but we'll do it for the first 4 days. And again, so now you'll spend $40 over 4 days. You can see 1,500 to 3,800 estimated reach. If you adjust the budget daily, then you'll see that reach change as well. So now that you have your budget and duration set based on what your goal is, we'll go ahead and click next. And now you have a review of the promotion itself. So it says here, a summary. Your estimated reach is 1,500 to 3,800 people. Once your promotion starts, you can pause spending anytime. It shows you the destination, which is your website, the action button, which is learn more, audience, and you've chose an audience name, and then the budget and duration. So $40 for 4 days. All you need to do now is click create promotion, and away you go. All right, guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. As mentioned in the demonstration, please make sure that you go click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to check out the free masterclass on Instagram for real estate. I guarantee you're going to get value from it and absolutely love it like the rest have been. So thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.